Yo, Wagwan. Yo, Wagwan guys again, me there again, you see me? So today we are make a prank video if you don't see on the thumbnail, you see me? So, yeah, I make a prank video. Come back again, you see me? Tell me if you don't like the beat.
One eternity later.
We are do a prank video, calling people. I call someone friend them and family man I want to say, yo, get somebody pregnant. I just think of some funny spot, you see me? But we could don't have a long talking, you see me? Everybody know me, I said, subscribe before me crash out and find where you live, bro. Subscribe, bro. So, let's get into it, bro. Oh, you still there? You not subscribe it? Subscribe, nigga. So, first person we are call one of my dogs, you see me? So, yo, bro. Yo, big man, mate. What your advice on some dog? So, you know what day I'm there chill out, you see me? Nobody is telling me there chill out. I will get a text from a 1B and she say, yo, she there. Alright, you know?
Stop it. Get some help.
And she want somebody to come mash it up here, you see me? She want somebody to come mash it up better. So, I say, yeah, man, we can link up, brother. So, we left. I'm left go over there, dog. But me get straight to the point, dog. She says she miss her period, dog. And she don't know what she gonna do, and she parents are gonna kill her. And me, I tell her, I say, yo, just dash it away, cause
Stop it. Get some help.
they can't help with that. See me? So what you think of it? Tell her, I said that, cause she says she don't want to hear that, you know. Brother, I'm not laugh like a remix, dog. Bro, don't know if I laughing, dog. You feel like a joke, brother. Right now, people go take a rope and tie up, dog, and just chuck off, dog. Huh? What you say? Me, bro. Cause them a give me warning, you know, dog. She was say, yo, if me no make up my mind, you know, she just get her people and come on me yard, you see me, and can't have that, you know. Alright, so, yo, you can send me some money pay, make it pay Peter and that shit, right? Brother, if anything works, bro, just send it across, dog. But don't tell nobody in a dog. I want to still add that he's him You see me? You see me? Can't nobody know say you might have a look of grim nigga and run you on, you see me? So you really think me for tell her for that shit, brother? But no, bro, me don't want to be nothing yet. She want to come talk about she want to happy me, dog. Me even did do the light trick, dog. But disappear, brother. She find my contact, dog.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No, big man, bitch, dog. Me don't know how she find me, dog. Eh? Make you dash away? Jaja, dog. I that you gonna tell I that you gonna tell people though. That should have. But I want prank though. Me nah laugh. Me nah fix this back either. Me nah laugh. So yeah. Next one now. Part. Yeah, the way there. So we are doing next one now. We are doing alright. We are doing next one now. I gotta call up the next person now. Subscribe, nigga. Alright, give me a second. You can't see my jawline now come in. Look on it here on the machine. Man's getting it, like. And getting it. Your girl want getting it. But do like 2 more calls. That's it. Alright. Just call him back. He send me a voice note and he say, oh, he missed the call, so I call him, but I'm not saying back. No miss me, just call him. This nigga offer answer. I'll call this nigga right here. See if he's iPhone ring. I'll call this nigga right here. See if he pick up iPhone ring. See, I call somebody else now. Yo. Where
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
on something, dog. So, some advice on something, bro. Just listen. So what do you before we you go up on the call, when you all a man did up on call, yeah. Me a link up with this one podcast dog. And she there say, yo, if me can come over and chop it up, you see me, cause she know thing and she wanna find out, you see me. So me say, yeah, alright, me make your plans. I say, oh, so we'll make your plans. Fast forward now up there. Bro, the girl text me say, yo, she miss her period, dog. And she want to keep the baby and she don't know what she got to tell her parents. But me don't want it. Yeah, brother.
And we miss him here.
Yeah. Eh? Yeah, brother, and me even tell me say, oh, yeah, she don't want dash it away. I mean, I tell her, she for dash it away. She tell me she don't want dash it away. She talk about me if you become the papa.
I feel about you know,
Bro, me evil because of boobs. I'm black up and everything, dog. And disappear, brother. This girl find out my number, dog. My ID, everything, brother. I talk about if. I talk about. Brother. Bro, me disappear, brother. Bro, me disappear, brother. Me can't have a look at mongrel. Me can't have a look at mongrel around now, dog. When me need to have a look at mongrel around now in the place, for. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. No, me can send a picnic come give you, make it picnic stay with you. You say you are the father and you just me. You support me, not support you, me nah send no money, nothing. Yeah, bro. No guy, I say be a stand up guy and step up, but no, bro, me I step down. Bro, don't tell none of my name, dog. I don't think my name say, oh, me have a look among girl around on, but I know better. Bro. But bro, she said she have want to buy up some things, you know, dog. So send me $5,000, dog. She said she want to buy up the picnic stuff sometime. No, brother, she want 5. If I give her some money, I'm say, yo, lend me 5 until next year. Yeah. Bro. But say now, give me $5,000. Brother, a prank, dog. Brother, if you hear what call us, tell me, dog. Call us up, tell her, I dash it. Alright, guys. That's the end of the video. But for real, them no answer. Life rough. So, guys, tell me what you think of that prank video there. If you want more prank videos, comment down below. Yes. So, this is gonna be all for today. So, you mate, Coco die now. Hey, don't die. Just rejoice. You know? Every day's a new day. So, Peace out, niggas. Make sure if you subscribe and like here and comment too. Come here and watch. Here and watch on. Here and watch on. So. Yeah.